Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to the computer class, and as we are doing unit number 8, enjoy with TuxPaint. So let's see that what new things we can discuss today in our lesson. Inshallah, we will be discussing in unit number 8, enjoy with TuxPaint, drawing tools, and today we will be discussing magic effects. It's a very interesting feature available in TuxPaint, and I hope my children will enjoy that. And afterwards, that will be how we can open a new drawing in our TuxPaint, how to save it, and to open that one, the already saved options available in TuxPaint. And by the end we will be again revising this undo and redo option. So let's move towards the end of our this topic. This will be the last topic we will be discussing about this unit, and let's move on and let's see that which drawing tools we can use using this magic effects. Yes students, as in the last lessons we have discussed some tools of TuxPaint using this paint option, lines. Now we have discussed the shapes and text box as well. As you can see on the screen, I have written some of the text for you people already, and today we will be discussing about this magic tool. There is a magic effects tool available in TuxPaint. As you can see below this label, there is the option of magic tool. When I select this one, now if the left button over here, you can see this is the left hand side button is highlighted. As you can see, it is highlighted over here, so it means it will add the effect to the part of your drawing, to the some part of your drawing which you want to add. Like if I select this one, it means it will be applying the fold effect. As I have selected this fold effect, it will add an fold effect to the some part of my drawing. Now I will select like this. Let's see, I can take this blue color and I apply a fold option over here. You can see I'm dragging it on my page shown over here as an fold one. Even here I can change the color. I will change my color and I can fold my paper. As you can see, a fold curves appear on my drawing area. In the same way, we have many options in the selector. I can show you over here some of the more options. Like we have this metal paint, navigate, mosaic, patterns, different effects, magic effects which you can apply. Like this, if I select and I want to show you the right hand side highlighting which apply to the whole picture, I will show you again afterwards, but let's add this pattern. I selected the brown color. Again it will add some effect. You can see it added some of the pictures, some of the options to my effect. Now here again I will use the undo option. I undid my work. Now when I scroll it down, you can see there are options of puzzle, Picasso, rails, and drops even, and the rainbow as well. So what I will do, I will select this rain option. When I select to this side, now we have the right side highlighted button. What does that mean? That the effects will apply to the whole picture. Now let's see what happens to my picture when this right side selection is highlighted. I put this, and when I add this raindrops applied to the whole document, I added the raindrops into this one. So we discussed the magic tools. Again I will select the undo option. Let me revise it again with you. The left highlighted button, like a rainbow, if I add, again it is a left highlighting. When I add, you can see I am applying an rainbow over here. I drawn this one. Now if we move forward, we can see many options over here. There is a lot of fun effects even, and I want to show you that one as well. The tree, if you want to draw, let me open a new one for you. I will select this one and I select a new one. It asks me that if the previous slide I want to save. Yes, I want to save. Now again the magic option is still there. I draw this tree option and I select this green color. Now as you can see, when I will start drawing, I am drawing to one side but it is showing me the other lines. As you can see, this is the tree I am drawing here using this option, and again to the both sides I can use these options to draw my tree. So different styles are there available over here, and even we have this waves option. This is a very different one. If I select this again, you can see if I apply, it is adding waves to my drawing. I hope it is clear to my children. Now I want to show you some other options which I can add to my whole drawing using the right hand option. So let's add that one. Like a flower option I have. If I add, you can see I've already drawn flowers. Now again when we move up, we want to add some edges. Let's see, this is the right selection. I added this. See, only the outline edges are there, and even the emboss, I add this again to the right click side. This way I can add this to my whole, this glass tile. You can see I added tiles to my text to the whole page. So these are the options and different effects of magic you can apply. So once we are done with it, there are other controls as well we have. Let me show you that one. I will be opening this one, so I don't want to save that. Eraser tool we have already discussed. It is available over here. If you have done some mistake, you want to erase some of your drawing, so use this eraser tool and erase your drawing. Correct it if you want to do it. And to this new option is opening a new document. As I have opened in front of you, click this button, and here I have different options. Even we have built in, when I put this arrow, you can see built in many options are there. You want to add some colors to your drawings, you can use that option. So this is a new option. And save option, you want to save. There was a question from you people that this drawing I am working on, I want to save. When I click on this save button, it will ask me replace the old one or you want a new file. I want to replace a new file. I want to make a new one. I click on this one and it saved another one. So it is saved. And undo and redo we have discussed earlier, that if I have, let's suppose, drawn a line over here, and that is a thicker one, and another one I added over here. You can see I draw them, I undo, and mistakenly just I wanted 2 lines, but I erased 3 or 4, all of them. Again I will use my redo option to get my last action I undid. When I click on this one, you can see I got my lines back. So now we have discussed the undo and redo. At the end, what we will do will be, we will discuss the quit option. Quit means when you want to close this Tux Paint, use this option of next to print is the quit option, and you just need to click yes, I am done. So when you click this tick button, it will close my Tux Paint, and this way we can close Tux Paint. So that's all, but I don't want to close it now. That's all that what we discussed today. Magic tool, eraser. Using this eraser I can make my screen clean as I have done in front of you. Now we have discussed the new option, that how we can open a new drawing area, save option, undo and redo and quit. I hope my children will be practicing their work and they will send me back their work nicely. Best of luck to my children. Have a good day. Take care. And don't forget to finish your work of today's task. Okay? Best of luck, children. So I hope my children have learned about Tux Paint, an interesting software, the many features we can use, the magic effects and all that, and that's the end of our lesson. Now you have to finish your question answers as given and finish your Google Classroom, and don't forget to attach your work in the Google Classroom so that I can return back your work after checking it. Best of luck to my children. Hope to see you inshallah in the next lesson. Take care. Have a good day. Stay safe at your homes. Allah Hafiz.